Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear friends, how are you? I hope that you all would be fine and are enjoying the weather. And now today is the second class of Microsoft Excel, and in this class we are going to learn about worksheet management and the environment of the Microsoft Excel. So before starting today's class, I would like to request you to please subscribe to my channel and also like my videos and watch the full videos. And I regularly post videos on my channel, so that you will be able to see a video if you will subscribe to my channel on time, so that nothing important will be missing from you. So we have Microsoft Excel open, and it is Excel environment. First we will discuss about the parts of Microsoft Excel. So in order to open an Excel workbook, what we have to do is we have to go to run and write Excel. Before starting Excel, let make sure yourself that Excel or Microsoft Office package is installed already into your computer. Make sure it, so that in that case Excel will be run smoothly. Only in that case Excel will be run once it will be installed, because we are using the Excel desktop version. So it is Excel 2013. So to run Excel, you have to just write Excel in the run dialog box and enter. So this will open a new window of Excel, and this window we have many parts, and I will discuss in detail about each part. This is called the title bar, and this is the status bar. This is title bar, this is status bar, and we have this quick access toolbar. This is called quick access toolbar from here to there, and this complete portion is called ribbon. What it is called? Ribbon. So in this ribbon there are tabs, just like home tab, insert tab, page layout tab, formulas tab, data tab, review tab, view tab, and developer tab, etc. So these are the tabs, and each tab has multiple options or features of Excel which can be used. So these are the groups. We are currently on the home tab, and this is the font group. It relates to the setting and changing the settings of fonts, and this is the alignment group, this is numbers group, and this is the styles group. Here comes the sales group, and here comes the editing group. After that we have insert tab, just like home tab that has many groups. Just as home, we have insert group, insert. Okay, and we have page layout, and it also has groups: page setup group, themes group, space to fit group. So I hope that you understand the concept of group. And after that we have the vertical scroll bar. This is called the vertical scroll bar, and here it is the horizontal scroll bar, and it is the view, and it is the normal view, it is page layout view, and it is page break view. So we can see over here that we are currently on the normal view, and this is page layout view, and here is page break view, because no data exists, so that it will not show you anything. And here is the formula bar. Whenever you write something, for example, equals to 2 plus 2, so its formula is shown in the formula bar. you can see over here that it is formula bar. So when I double click on it, it will show me the data which I entered. But this, from here to there, it is formula bar. To expand a formula bar, just click on formula bar and it will be expanded. To contract, again click on it and it will get contracted. And so these are the options. Quick access toolbar is here. These are the mostly used things which you want to see on the front page. So that's why Excel has provided you an option. And quick access toolbar as well as this office ribbon can be customized. Excel ribbon, this complete part, and this quick access toolbar can be customized very easily. To customize it, to customize quick access toolbar, just right click on it, and click on customize quick access toolbar. It will open the Excel options, and you can see over here that, let me check if the recording okay. You can customize the quick access toolbar. These are the options which can be added to the toolbar. You can see over here that I will delete this option, I will remove this option. So you can see over here that this option is now looking into, but after that I will save it. Okay, then this option will not be available in quick access toolbar. You can see over here that this option has now gone from it. This option has now gone from it. So so this complete part, you understand that this complete part from here to there is called Excel ribbon, and this Excel ribbon contains tabs, and this is the file menu. What this is called? This is called the file menu. And we have a picture to elaborate this. We have a picture. To zoom the page, we click on plus sign, and to zoom out we click on minus sign. To zoom in plus, to zoom out minus. And if you want to create a new worksheet, this complete area is called worksheet. And each worksheet has rows and columns. This is called column A, B, C column, D column, and these are called the rows. Row 1, row 2, row 3, from left to right row, and from upside down, from top to bottom we have column. And row and column, the intersection of row and column is called a cell. So each of this box is called a cell. And to move to next cell, what we use from our mouse, from our keyboard, the arrow keys. The arrow keys provide you the option to move right or left. And if you want to only move right, then you will press tab. It is also an option to move right side one cell, but arrow keys are mostly used for performing this function. So we have discussed about what is Excel ribbon. Now to hide and unhide an Excel ribbon, what we should have to do, we press Ctrl F1. You can see over here that Excel ribbon is now hidden. And to unhide Excel ribbon, we press Ctrl F1 again. Control F1 we press again. So you can see over here that Excel ribbon is now visible. To hide Excel ribbon we press Control F1, and to unhide Excel ribbon we again press Control F1. And we can also customize Excel ribbon. Just right click on it and click on customize the ribbon, and these are the tabs to customize the ribbon. And we can hide any of the tabs from the first page. For example, I want to hide page layout, so I will uncheck this. You can see over here that these are the tabs names which are going to show here in Excel options. So we have here the facility to conceal any of the tab which we don't want to display on the front page. So if I want to hide page layout tab, then uncheck it and click on OK. You can see over here that page layout tab is now not visible and it is hidden. Click on customize the ribbon, click on page layout, click on OK. And here these options are called command buttons. So each button has its function, different function, and this is bold, italic, underline. You can check again and again, and we will check it then. Now we have discussed the major parts of Excel. This is called digital launcher. Click on it, it will show me the options related to this. Alignment, format cells, alignment. To see the details of this, click on it and it will show me the format cells journal button. You can see over here. So these are the elements of Excel environment, and the intersection of row and column is called a cell, which we are moving now. This is cell, this is called a cell. And there are 10,48,576 rows in Excel, and 10,48,576 rows in Excel, and 16,384 columns in Excel. So there is a large workspace for you to work. And now we have this workbook. To save a workbook, what you should have to do, what we have to do to create a new workbook, just like we open the Excel by going to run, Windows R, and then click on Excel. Then it will show me this, and suppose I have some text on it, 1, and I want to save this workbook. I want to save this workbook, so I will press Ctrl S from the keyboard, and now it will ask me which place I want to save this workbook to. Click on computer and desktop, and then desktop, I will save it random. You can see over here that random is now saved. So we have saved this workbook And to rename our workbook, it is pretty simple. Just right click on the name of the workbook and click on rename, or double click on the name of the workbook where the workbook is saved. So it will show you the option to rename the workbook. So after that, we have created a new workbook, save a workbook, rename a workbook, and deleting a workbook is so easy. Just right click on the workbook where it is the file of the workbook and click on delete, then it will be deleted. Protecting a workbook is not today's task, and you can also share workbook remotely. How to do this? Just go to file, go to share, and you can see over here that this is now have the option of this workbook saving to cloud, because I have connected my account to this. If your Outlook or email account is not connected to this Excel worksheet workbook, then Excel will show you the option to sign in. When you click on here, then it will show you an option to sign in. Because I am signed in, it is not showing me to give the option. So it is now showing me that I can save this worksheet workbook to the cloud. So I can save this to the cloud. Once it is saved, I can send it to anyone, and from here I can email this workbook to anyone through if Outlook is configured. In this way, we can share a workbook remotely. To set up the default file saving location, each workbook is saved to a default location which can be changed by you very easily. So how can it be changed? So how can it be changed? You can see over here that go to click on file, click on save as, no, click on file, then click on options, then click on save. Then here is the default file saving location. You can change this location, and then all your Excel files will be automatically saved to this location. So because I don't want to change the file saving location, default location, so that I will not change this, but you can do this, so that I showed you how to do this. Now we have discussed about workbook, and each workbook contains many worksheets. This complete is called a workbook file. This complete file is called an Excel workbook. An Excel workbook is saved in the extension .xlsx. This is the extension on which our file is to be saved. File extension, and each workbook has by default one worksheet, but we can add multiple worksheets by clicking on this plus button. Click on it. You can see already sheet number 8 is now inserted, and we can create many worksheets in Excel, but we now not needed multiple worksheets, so I delete it, and we created a new worksheet. And to delete a worksheet, how to do? Just right click. Firstly, we will rename our book. To rename our worksheet, just double click on it to show you its name, and after that you can write its new name. So I named it as new name. So you can see over here that That's why I changed name. And to delete a worksheet, how to delete a worksheet? Just right click on the worksheet name and click on delete, so it will delete the worksheet. So we have discussed it, creating a new worksheet. We created a new worksheet and deleted it and renamed a worksheet. And how to insert a new row. These are called rows. To discuss about the concept of rows, this is called row, this is row, row number 4, row number 5, row number 6, row number 8, 9, 10. These are columns. And to insert a new row, for example here, I want to insert a new row above this yellow color row. Then I will click on this and click on insert. You can see over that a new row 4 is now inserted, and this row number this blue row is now shifted to the row number 5, because one new row between 3 and 5 is now added, blank row. So in this way we can insert a new row. To delete a row, just click on the row and click on delete, so it will delete the row. To move a row to another place, this is also possible. How it is possible? Just select the row and for copy or move from this place to that place. And to copy and paste a row, how can you do this? Control C, copy, Control X, paste. And to lock a row, how to lock a row? Sorry. So this is locking a row, and protecting a row is not today's section. Now we have to set up the height of a row. Each row has a certain height. To check the height of a row, right click on it and click on row height, so it will show you the current height of this row. If I want to change it, I will write a different number, 25 for example. You can see over here that the height of this row is now increased. And to hide and unhide a row, how to do this? Right click on it and click on hide, and now this row is hidden. And if I want to unhide, then again click on it, and this will be unhide the row, so that the row will again be visible to you. In the same way we inserted a new row, we can also insert a new column. Click on the column name and right click and click on insert, then new column is now inserted. To delete a column, just click on on the column name, click on delete, then now column is deleted. To change the width of a column, click on column name and click on column width. Now it is, you can change its width by changing the value of the column width. I will again show you. Yes, I am changing it to 15. Okay, this now the column width of this is now increased. To copy and paste a column, firstly we will move a column from one place to another place, from here to there, because there is a merged cell, so it is creating problem. I will select the column and go to the end of the column from this intersection, so this type of cursor arrow will be shown to me. It means that the selection is now available to move to any other place. So I will keep pressing the left button of my mouse and I will drop it to any place. So you can see over here that on this place I have dropped it, or on this place I have dropped it. Drag and drop. And if I want to copy and paste, then I will click on, I will keep selected this area, and I will right click on it, click on copy, and I will then on my desired location I will press enter. So these cells will be copied and pasted to that location. So we have set up a column with move column to another place and many other things. Now we will just like this we have done with the row, we can also do it with the cell. For example, to insert a cell, click on this, insert, shift cells down. So this will only insert a new cell. You can see over here that this row color is now changed. The last cell of the color of the last cell is first cell is white, but previously it was yellow, and the yellow cell is now shifted down because we inserted a cell over here. So in this way we can insert a cell, and to delete a cell we can just right click on it and click on delete, shift cells up. So you can see over here that that cell was now deleted. And we have, for sometimes we need to merge cells. To merge cells, just select the number of cells which you want to merge and click on merge and center. So the cell will be merged. This is heading, merge and center. So in this way you can merge and center in Excel. I hope that today's class will be sufficient for you to understand the basic of Microsoft Excel. And we have discussed about the environment of Microsoft Excel, and these are the tabs which you should explore yourself. But when we work with these functions, then you will definitely have a better idea. So today class I hope that you have enjoyed, because yes, this is heading, we have merge and center, merge and center. Click on merge and center, and from these let us see these menus. What we have done previously, that I have hidden one tab, the page layout tab. Do you remember that I have hidden the page layout tab? I want to get that tab back. So how can I do this? I will right click on here and click on customize the ribbon. You can see over here that page layout tab is now visible. Okay, it is visible. By default, when you open Excel, then developer tab will not be visible to you. So in order to make it visible, click on customize the ribbon, and then this will show you the developer tab. This will show you this area. So you have to check whether this option is checked or unchecked. So if it is unchecked, and keep a check on it. Developer tab is used for making the VBA, writing a VBA code, which saves your precious time, so that you do not have to do multiple things at a time. You do not have to do multiple things at a time manually. Excel does it, does the repetition by doing the automation. If you know about the programming in Excel. So this is the basic class. I hope that, and you should your assignment is to explore these options from home tab and from the insert tab. Your assignment of today is to practice these things which are taught in today's class, and also explore this home tab, so I can ask you any type of question. I can so practice is the key to success, because this is online class, and if you will not practice, then I will not be able to assess you, and how will I know that you are getting what is being taught in within the class. So today class has come to an end now. In the next class we will learn about the data entry, and that would be inshallah after today's class. That will be an interesting class for you all. Okay, the today's class was also interesting, but there is some voice issues, and I am not feeling but better, but I had commitment to with you to not to present the class today. So that's why I give you the recorded class, but inshallah, but from the next class we will conduct the live class. Thank you. In the next class we will meet again. Take care of yourself and keep safe from the corona and from all other contagious and harmful diseases. May Allah keep all of you safe, and your family safe from this worst condition which the world is now facing. So keep remembering or myself and my family on your prayers, and support us, help us to promote our channel and our group, so that in this way we can create a better world. Thank you.